sidewalk. In the road.
Over there above Parliament.
This is where you would gather. Not on the road, on the sidewalk.
The police tell us so I am going to put you in this space and no, not in the middle, on this side.
No problem. We're going to do that.
Tell you quiet.
No, you don't have to tell. We know what to do. Yes, sir.
And manager.
You're
no,
All the way down.
Let me ask you something. Can we go to the tree?
There's another group that is coming and we have them, you see behind that barrier down there, they are 100 yards away.
Down that way?
Yeah.
Where we need to be.
No, but yeah.
Say, you come this side. So if you are coming side, you move. Like normally when we have parliament, one party will be here and the other party down here. Okay, so the two sides that we're making.
Yeah, you know. I said non-aligned, you know, non-political, you know. We said Jamaica once and for all, our people, our country, stakeholders, private sector, government, opposition, all stakeholders. We need everyone on board.
Under your instruction, hear me, man, give you. This is when we measure the distance that you are allowed up where the other barriers. I have been as lenient as I could have, and I saw that you people have been cooperative so far. So I said, me not to come at the tree, can't come no further. And you come pass it. Yeah, so I tree me there, so now. I saw a clip that they are sending around with a Rastaman praying on the plane.
Yeah, me see.
And I was saying to a lot of other people who pray, said this sound like a better so you see, even pray to me.
No, I'm not pray to you. No, but I'm not pray to you. No, but I joke me. I make
here, woman.
I said
right here, so it's something stop, Bridget.
No,
right here, so.
But you tell me take stop. So how much time you want to cancel?
Mr. Morrison.
No, because I said to you, you say stop at the barrier, and then you say stop at the barrier.
No, but then push up right into the
because you set up yourself, so no.
Mr. McGregor, question, Mr. McGregor.
I set up yourself.
Mr. McGregor, question.
Where the line there?
How come Naranda get nice, pretty position down there, so.
What? So the man have the camera. We can't talk nothing private, but we not talk private. You what now? You what now? Alright, so here's how we get. We're going to make the best of it.
That is it. You talk on behalf of the media house.
Can you really look for a queen?
I wish media this. Alright, so me under the impression say. Right now we are dealing with protecting the house. Jamaica is our land. And that's where we come from. Me no plan, me love Africa, but at Jamaica me a plan to live. You understand what I say? And Africa want to see Jamaica strong. Africa want to come to Jamaica. So this is what we are standing in truth of today. Israel. Yeah. Every hour we see around over there, so me and walk over there. They took the adjustment to come all the way under the tree. Don't go over there. Don't go over there. Don't go over there. Mario. Nobody go over there.
So every single citizen of this nation has a role to play in this cockpit issue. We know that for years, many persons have remained silent re-mining. There was mining in St. Catherine, St. Anne, Manchester, St. Elizabeth, Clarendon, and look at what we have. Look at what we have. Look at the degradation. We talk about Vision 2030. If Jamaica is to be the place of choice to live, to work, to raise family and do business, then the cockpit country should not be mined because it provides 40% of Jamaica's fresh water. It represents 10% of Jamaica's land mass.
We want that letter to reach to the appropriate person. Oh, Nickel?
You can take it in.
All right. Same.
And we can ask.
Free up Pinnacle too.
And they cannot mine up there either. And so they really should not be mining over that.
And they're just slumped in the world market.
So
what
opposition you will see that we have had some opposition here. We are here to deliver a message to allow the voice of the people to be heard. Callan is going to be the person to deliver the letter to Parliament. Callan, step forward. Callan is a Taino chief recently recognized in representing the indigenous and original peoples of Jamaica. We also have Tony Ann representing the presence. Tony Ann, who is an environmental youth of today, working to preserve and protect. And we have Ainalik, the voice of the future. So these three will be our representatives to deliver our letter to Parliament. We are honored to have with us, we full respect for the parliamentarians who have come out to hear, to listen, because this is what we're about. We are here to speak the truth, to speak the facts, to be able to have our voices heard, to have the process of communication with the people heard. We are grateful, we appreciate them being here, but more than that, we appreciate the concern of our people who are here to show that we are not sitting down. We're not going to allow our country and for to fall into the hands of conglomerates, big business. Protect our landscape, protect our diversity, protect our history and our heritage, protect our communities who live in the Cockpit Country. We are here to encourage and to support them. That is why we're all here, and we're taking this right across Jamaica. So we give thanks, At 1:30, ACP has organized for the parliamentary secretary, who is going to come out, clerk of the house, to come and receive the letter from the group. As concerned citizens, our elders, our children, all denominations, our diverse community, we represent Jamaica. And let us be ready at 1:30.
We are one. We will not be divided again. They did it to us before. We will not allow them to do it again. We are Jamaicans first. We are one people. No retreat, no surrender. No retreat, no surrender. The future Cockpit Country. No mining. We say no mining. No mining. We say no mining. No mining. We say no mining. Come on, Jamaica. No mining. No mining. No mining. We say freedom come. Freedom come.
Look at her, look at her.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.